Welcome crafters! Today we're going to be making this star coaster or applique, but it could also double as a Christmas ornament. You just have to add a string and then it can hang up just like that in your tree. So with that, let's get crafting. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more crafting projects. For this project, you'll need some cotton yarn, a 5mm crochet hook, scissors, and tapestry needle. To start the first round, we're going to create a slip knot. Then we're going to chain 5, so pull a loop through 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then slip stitch into the first chain we created, so pull a loop through and through again. And chain 3 more. Then we're going to double crochet 2 times into the circle we created. So you have to yarn over, pull a loop through, pull through 2, and pull through 2 again. Once again, you yarn over, pull a loop through, pull through 2, and pull through 2 more to double crochet. Chain 2 more, and then you're going to double crochet 3 times into that center circle. Once again, to double crochet, you have to yarn over, pull a loop through, pull through 2, and pull through 2 more. And once you're all done that, we repeat the process of chain 2 and double crochet 3 more times, so we can get all the points of our star. Finally, we're going to chain 2 more, then slip stitch into that first double crochet that we created. So it should now look like a pentagon, and each side will give us space to create the point of our star. To start round 2 off, we're going to slip stitch 2 times, so into the next stitch and then into that space. Then we're going to chain 3, so pull a loop through 3 times and single crochet into the same space, so you have to go through, pull a loop through, and then pull a loop through 2. Then double crochet into the same space again, yarn over, pull a loop through 2, and pull a loop through 2 more. Then you're going to treble crochet into the next stitch, so yarn over twice, go in through the top of that stitch, pull a loop through, and then pull through 2, pull through 2, and then pull through the last 2. Then we're going to double treble crochet into the next stitch, so yarn over 3 times, and then you pull a loop through, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through the last 2. Chain 2, and then double treble crochet 1 more time into that same space as our first double treble crochet. Then treble crochet into the next stitch, so remember, yarn over twice, then you pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2 more. Then we're going to double crochet into that open space, so yarn over, pull through 2, and then pull through 2 more. Single crochet 1 time into that same space, so pull the yarn through and then through 2 loops. And slip stitch, so pull the yarn through that same space and then through your loop, and then we're going to single crochet 1 more time into that same space, so pull a loop through 2. Still using the same space, we're going to double crochet into it, so you yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2 more. have created one point of your star, so we're going to continue just like this all the way around to make the rest of the points. So treble crochet into the next stitch, you yarn over twice, you pull loop through two, and through the last two. Then double treble crochet into the next stitch, you yarn over 3 times and keep pulling through 2 loops until you reach the end. Then chain 2 and double treble crochet one more time into the same stitch as your other double treble crochet. Treble crochet into the next stitch. Remember, you yarn over twice, then you pull a loop through and go through 2, and 2 more. Then you're going to double crochet into that open space one time. You only yarn over once, and then you pull a loop through twice. Then single crochet, you pull through 2, slip stitch, and single crochet again into that same space. And then lastly, you double crochet one time into that same space. And just keep following that same pattern that we've been doing already for the other 3 points of your star. So you can start with your treble crochet, then double treble crochet. So for the rest of this round, I have it sped up, but you can continue to follow along with me if you like, or you can join back up with me once you've completed the other 3 points of your star to finish off this round. And chain 2 and double treble crochet into the same stitch as your previous double treble crochet. Treble crochet into the next stitch. Then double crochet into that next open space and single crochet followed by a slip stitch, single crochet, and one more double crochet into that same space. Treble crochet into the next stitch, and then you're going to double treble crochet into the next stitch, chain 2 and double treble crochet again into the same stitch. Then treble crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the open space, and then you're going to single crochet into that same space, slip stitch, single crochet, and double crochet one more time in that same space. Then you're going to treble crochet into the next stitch, double treble crochet into the next stitch, and then you're going to chain 2 and double treble crochet one more time into that same stitch. Then treble crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the open space, followed by a single crochet, then a slip stitch into the chain 3 that we did at the very start of this round. For round 3, we're going to slip stitch all the way into each stitch around the entire star, and when we get to the point of our star, we're going to single crochet twice into the point instead of slip stitching. So make your way all the way around your star, and when you get to the corner, the point of your star, you want to single crochet twice into that point. and just keep working your way all the way around. So slip stitch into each stitch as you go. And once you're all done that, then you can join back up with me. To finish off, you have to pull a loop through one more time. And then you can take your scissors and cut a tail, then give a tug on your crochet hook. Lastly, we're going to sew the ends in, so you need to take your tapestry needle and weave those ends in back and forth about 3 times to make sure they don't come back out. Once you're all done that, if you're going to use this as a Christmas ornament, you can take your extra string and put it through one of the points, and then you can tie it together so you can hang it up on your Christmas tree. And now you should have a completed star. Alright, well, thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed creating this star coaster, which can also double as a Christmas tree ornament. My cats are helping me out. They love Christmas trees too. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more just like this one.